This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy TRX from Trust Wallet. First, make sure you have the Trust Wallet application downloaded and set up on your smartphone. TRX, or TRONIX, is the native token of the Tron network, known for its fast transactions and low fees. We will guide you through the process of acquiring this digital asset directly within your Trust Wallet, making it a straightforward experience for everyone. Let's get started with the initial setup. Now, let's fund your Trust Wallet. You'll need to deposit a compatible cryptocurrency, such as Binance Coin or Binance USD, into your wallet. Simply tap on the Receive button for your chosen asset to get your unique deposit address. Always double-check that you are sending funds over the correct network, for example, BEP20 for BNB Smart Chain, to ensure your assets arrive safely and without any issues. This step is crucial before proceeding to the swap. Next, we'll swap your deposited cryptocurrency for Tron or TRX. Head over to the browser or DApp section within your Trust Wallet. Here, you can connect to a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap, to facilitate the exchange. Choose the cryptocurrency you deposited and then select TRX as the asset you wish to receive. Enter the amount you want to swap, keeping an eye on the estimated transaction fees. Finally, it's time to confirm your TRX purchase. Before you finalize, meticulously review all the transaction details, including the amount of TRX you will receive and any associated network fees. Once you are satisfied, approve the transaction. The swap will then be processed on the blockchain, which usually takes only a few moments. Afterward, you can verify your new TRX balance directly on your Trust Wallet's main screen, confirming your successful acquisition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.